The Embassy of Switzerland recently donated PPE to the Ministry of Sports, Youth and National Service that will benefit over 1,000 trainees. This came after the realization that COVID-19 had a negative impact on those in vocational training.
We believe that multilateral cooperation and solidarity are essential to address the impact of this COVID-19 pandemic on women and girls and define approaches to tailor to a local context. With this project, together, we will help the most vulnerable women and girls to access important life-saving health care and protection services and uphold their rights and dignity during this crisis and beyond. Switzerland remains committed to supporting such developments and implementations of COVID-19 initiatives, both in our countries and throughout the world through multilateral organizations.
With COVID-19 disrupting schools and training facilities, men, women and youth are mostly affected as most lost their jobs and many could not continue with their training.
We also recognize that COVID has impacted their life. We know that. We know that they have not been able to go to school. We know that some of them have lost their employment. We know that some of them have not been able to access services such as services around sexual and reproductive health and gender-based violence. And so we know that their life has been tremendously impacted by this pandemic. But what we know also is that in responding to the pandemic, we have listened to them. We have listened to the young people. We know what they need. We know what they want. We know where they want it. And one of those things where they said it was they want their trainings to continue. They want their trainings to happen, but they want to make sure that in those trainings happening that we are there to the national safety and health measures that have been put in place. So this today is really a testament to that. It's a testament to be able to equip those facilities so that those trainings can continue and the young people can still feel that there's a sense of normalcy in their life despite this pandemic.
The Minister of Sports, Youth and National Service shared her gratitude and said that this donation will enable the youth to continue their training and boost entrepreneurial skills.
All the ministerial training programs was halted pending provisions of PPEs to both the instructors and the trainees, as well as readiness of the centers with regard to health and safety standards. And thus, the Ministry of Sport, Youth and National Service would like to express our sincere appreciation to UNFPA Country Office for the never-ending financial and technical support that enable us to ascertain readiness and ensure that the young people commence with the training program which is beneficial amidst the COVID-19. The trades that are currently earmarked are tailoring, computer literacy, and agriculture, with the aim of improving employability and capacity for entrepreneurship among young women and men.
The equipment will be distributed to facilities across the 14 regions, namely Hobabas, Opuo, Okakarara, Windu, Katima Mulile, Okahau, Enana, and Otapi.